This video has been so requested. I mean, highly requested, and it's finally here. Finally here. $18 worth, but it's finally here. Love every beat, love every beat. So I originally used this yesterday, so this is technically second day here, but I was so excited just and overwhelmed to make this video. I forgot to do my intro.
The devil is a lie.
I just cannot just not have in my video. It just makes me who I am. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. First things first, okay, if you are new here,
first off, welcome.
thank you so much for clicking on this video. I appreciate you so very much. My old time subscribers, y'all know how I feel about y'all. Like, it's no secret. Like, we just, y'all are like family to me. Real talk. Okay. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get into this video. This is second day hair. Yeah, so you just keep watching, don't skip, okay? Because you know I'll be dropping little things up in there. So I'm not gonna make it a long video, but get a snack, some tea, coffee, I don't know, your earphones, get ready. Because this is gonna be a big, this just keep watching. All right. So as you can see, I just received this, so it has not been opened. And of course it's a pop lid, which I prefer. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, it smells like the black castor and flaxseed oil gel. So very like a perfume. That's how it smells. Just in case if you're not an eco styler fan such as myself. Okay, this is supposed to give you shine, hold, moisturize, nourish, hey, come on, repair, promote hair growth. It's not supposed to flake, not supposed to give you tacky feeling, and it's supposed to be anti-itch. That's what it says, all right, chin. I've been waiting on this, okay? I've been waiting on this, and Eco been tripping. Okay, I'm not gonna use a leave-in because I wanna see just how well this is supposed to be moisturized and all that good stuff for all hair types, alcohol-free, you know, nourish, repair, all that. So I'm not gonna use a leave-in just for the purposes of trying to see how the gel actually, you know, how it works on my hair, all right? It's a lot like the black castor oil. Consistency, a lot like it. It has a little like sparkle things in it, you know, which I expected because it's Eco Gold. All right, here we go. Wow, it glided in very, very nicely. Okay. I kind of feel like I didn't put anything in my hair. Okay. A bit more. Yes, I'm heavy-handed. Y'all know how it gets down. So far it feels really good. It feels very much just like the black castor oil. Okay. I just can't get over the $18. You know, while I'm doing this, I'm just like, I paid $18 for this. Like, that, you know, that could have been some Chick-fil-A. Like I expected, it is defining my hair. It literally feels just like the black castor oil. So far, this is how it's looking. How I like my hair to look. So far, no complaints at all. But you know, I don't be getting all extra happy until my hair is dry. Okay. So y'all know the routine. If you're new here, I like to go ahead and section my hair into 4 sections, and then I subsection those sections, and that just helps me to get, you know, the product going through in my hair, and they're fine. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and just continue the process. Like, I don't think y'all want to hear me chat because I'll start talking about stuff I don't need to be talking about. So this is how this side is looking. All right, I'm really liking it so far. I really can't find a con other than y'all want to add some shea butter in the mix and make it $18.
No shade. No shade. We're talking about facts, right? No shade. No shade, nobody.
We're not gonna get into that, but it's just a bit much, Eco. I love y'all to death, but come on. Really, we gonna really do the 18. I'm salty, I am. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little upset because I feel like all your other gels just as good. And this seems very much so like the very much so like this one right here. And this I could get for under $5. Does it have some gold flakes that I'm missing, like 24 karat, 18, something. I'm gonna just turn on my gospel. Feel in the back where it may not look like it on camera, but I can feel on the back where it's like, okay, I need a little bit more product. But I think I'm gonna just wait it out and kind of see, because I just feel like, you know, once you've completed your wash and go, you shouldn't have to go back on certain areas, especially not with Eco. And I can definitely tell this ain't gonna be the go-to gel for my edges. Like I don't use, I don't use the black castor oil to lay my edges down because of the consistency of the gel. It's just more of a moisturizing type of moisturizing type of gel for me. So I don't really go to that when I'm gonna be doing my edges. I'm not gonna diffuse, but I'm gonna be blow drying it. I have videos on it. Just blow drying it without the diffuser. I'll be back. Hope y'all say your prayers because I'm gonna need it. So y'all, this is obviously the final result. It's very flat. My hair feels, my hair just feels amazing. I don't know how else to express that. I don't have words for how good my hair feels. I don't feel like I will get a lot of days out of this, and I purposely blew it out. When I mean blew it out, I purposely blow dried my hair to dry it instead of air drying. I purposely stretched it just to see how my frizz was gonna act up. You know what I mean? Just to see. I'm pleasantly surprised. My curls held up. I don't have any crunch, not an ounce of crunch. The difference is it's soft, but it feels very moisturized. I only use this. It feels like I have a leave-in on, some oil, some cream, something like that's how my hair feels. I will say this, there's no reason that this should be $18. I'm just keeping it real. It has straight up olive oil, shea butter, and black castor oil, which you can find in the store. I'm gonna leave it at that. If they would have put like some just crazy ingredient that we don't see often, like, you know, an oil from Wakanda, I'm just saying, then it would have been different. I could have understood like, oh wow, $18. But that was such a reach. That was just, it was a reach, you know, it was a reach. That was the reach. Like I said, I don't have any cons really. It applied beautifully. The application, like I said, was amazing. The smell is awesome. It lingers a little bit, so your hair does smell like, you know, like you have perfume on. But the key thing that I think I love the most is that my hair just feels like somebody in Wakanda just put maybe a little bit of like they blessing in it, and that's why my hair just feels so soft. Would I use it again? Absolutely. Why? Because it was $18. Many of y'all said you were not going to purchase this unless you saw a review, and I appreciate it. Like, that's sure, y'all just thank you for that. So, you know, I was like, let me just go ahead and purchase this 18. Oh, it doesn't even sound right coming out of my mouth. I bought it, but still, that's just besides the point. Not gonna lie, my hair came out quite amazing from beginning to the end. I have no type of leave-in on my hair, and my hair just, I mean, it feels so soft. When this comes in the stores, if it's already, I know some people have sent me pictures from their beauty supply stores that's already on the shelves. So when it comes, I have not been to a beauty supply in a little bit. So when I actually go and if I see it there and it's $5, $6, absolutely I'm stocking up. But $18 worth, no ma'am. I ain't gonna be able to do it. I ain't gonna be able to do it. That's where I am, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I am so appreciative for all of you guys who just hit me up and was just like so trusting with my opinion, and that you guys actually notice that I try to always remain honest in my reviews. It's just not that deep. I will still continue to promote what I love, and I will talk about what needs to be changed, like that $18 on the online, that drop it down just a little bit, Eco, just a little bit. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. My battery's about to die. I love y'all so very much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. All right.